Hi, you just seen the assembly video, the animation of the assembly of the doctor's knife. Now we're going to put together the real thing. We have two side pieces, two springs, a spear blade, and a spatula, along with 3 metal pins. First thing we're going to do is I found an old birthday candle, which is wax is a great lubricant when wood rubs together, so we're going to rub a little wax on the springs where they rotate against the blades and where they rub against the side pieces. It greatly improves the walk and talk action. The next step is to take the side without the case logo, place it face down. Take a pin and insert it in each of the holes. Once we have a pin in each hole, we're going to take one of the springs and place it on the left and center pins. The holes line up, you just slide it straight down. The spatula is the back side blade, and we're going to put it so that the writing is down and slide it down on this rightmost pin, but we'll have to push the spring downward to allow that blade to slide in place. Now we're going to do the same with the other spring and the spear blade. The last step is to take the top cover, align the left and center pins first, and you'll notice the last pin, this right pin, doesn't line up perfectly with the hole. That's simply because of the spring tension. So we're going to have to hold these in place while sliding the top cover upward until it lines up with that last pin and will slide into place. Now the knife is assembled. You can open and close it. The spear blade and the spatula. Thank you.